Namaste. Let's begin our practice focusing on three-part breath, placing the hands over the belly. With an inhale, feel the navel move away from the spine. And on the exhale, feel the navel slowly draw back towards the spine, breathing in and out through the nose. Adding the second part, place the right hand over the right rib cage. Inhale from the belly to the ribs, feeling the expansion of your breath. Exhale, belly, then ribs. Continue sitting tall, adding the third part. Place the left hand over the heart. Inhale, belly, ribs, and chest, feeling the heart buoyant. Exhale, belly, ribs, and chest. Continue with this smooth, even breath as we move through our practice, beginning with shoulder rolls. Lift the shoulders up, back, down, and around. As you continue with this movement, notice how the exhalations begin to ease away any tension. Reversing directions, lift the shoulders up, forward, down, and around, refining this movement by softening the muscles at the base of the neck. Stay connected to your breath, returning to center, adding neck rotations. Turn to gently look out over the right shoulder and left. Continue slowly rotating right and left, allowing this movement to originate from the point between the shoulder blades, sitting tall, keeping the spine and neck long. Release, returning to center, transitioning into modified cat-cow stretch, placing the hands to thighs. Inhale, lift through the heart. Exhale, round the spine, chin towards the chest. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. With each inhale, tilt the pelvis forward lightly, lifting through the heart, drawing the shoulder blades into the back body, supporting the lift of the chest. And with each exhale, scoop the tailbone under slightly, sending the point between the shoulder blades back, rounding the spine, chin towards the chest. Release and return to center, sitting tall with the shoulders relaxed. Draw the right knee in towards the chest, adding ankle rotations. As you switch directions, feel the circulation flowing through top of foot, sole, and ankle. Pausing, place the right ankle over the left thigh, keeping the right foot lightly flexed. Continue sitting upright, relaxing the right thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp the hands beneath the chair. Slowly begin to lengthen the torso forward out over the legs. Continue breathing deeply, feeling a stretch through the outer right hip, adjusting subtly in and out to find where you have the most ease and freedom of movement. Inhale, lift the torso to upright, returning to center. Repeating this sequence to the opposite side. Draw the left knee in towards the chest, adding ankle rotations. Continue sitting tall with the shoulders back as you switch directions. Pausing, place the left ankle over the right thigh, keeping the left foot lightly flexed. Continue relaxing the left thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp the hands beneath the chair. Lengthen the torso forward out over the legs, folding from the hip creases. Inhale, lift the torso to upright, returning to center. Transitioning into a modified seated forward bend, extend the right leg, placing the hands to the left thigh for support. Slowly lengthen the torso forward, keeping the right leg active, flexing through the right heel, folding forward from the hip creases. Inhale, lift the torso to upright, keeping the right leg where it is, flexing through the heel. Draw the left knee in towards the chest, lengthening the spine. Use the right arm to clasp, rotating the torso to the left, using the left hand behind you for support. Maintain the hips facing forward as you keep the right heel rooting into the earth, extending the spine upward, twisting from the navel, ribs, and chest. Exhale to unwind, returning to center, repeating to the opposite side. Extend the left leg, placing the hands to the right thigh for support. Keep the spine long as you lengthen the torso forward, folding from the hip creases, upper thighs rotating inward slightly. Inhale, lift the torso to upright. Continue to extend through the left leg, drawing the right knee in towards the chest. Re-lengthen the spine, adding a twist. Use the left arm to clasp, rotating the torso to the right. Maintain the hips facing forward as you continue to lift through the sternum, lengthening the spine upward. Exhale to unwind and return to center. Transitioning into a gentle forearm, wrist, and hand stretch. Reach the right arm forward with the palm facing upward. Flex the fingers towards the earth, using the left hand to gently stretch, drawing the fingers back. Release, shake the hands out. Flick the fingers, moving the energy. Repeating to the opposite side, reach the left arm forward with the palm facing up. Use the right hand to gently draw the fingers back towards the body, keeping the left arm straight, lengthening through the wrist. Release and loosen, shake the hands out, and flick the fingers. Release and begin to rub the hands together vigorously, creating warmth, energy. Place the cup palms over the eyes and feel the prana creating balance, releasing tension around the eyes, behind the eyes, and in the mind. Take deep, nourishing breaths and then release the hands, moving into final relaxation. Find yourself in a comfortable position, Sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed. Allow your breath to help you get centered, moving it through the body like a wave. Inhale from the feet to the top of the head. Exhale from the top of the head down through the feet. Allow your breath to be easy and natural now, feeling your body relax into its gentle rise and fall as you rest. You can stay here resting as long as you like, and when you're ready, begin to deepen the breath, waking the body up, adding some gentle movement. Stretch and reach the arms overhead, placing the hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.